Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on getting started with GitHub. And in this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a GitHub account, setting up your profile and creating repositories for your project. So first step number one is creating a GitHub account. So what do? We visit github.com. We visit github.com. So let me sign out. So that we can have a good process. Yes, sign out from our account. Sign out. Do it quick. So let's sign in. And let us create an account because we are new to GitHub. So what do we do now here? Right. Well, once you verify your code from the email, and so you get to come to this point. So you can come now to your profile. You can set your profile. So maybe now here you're just new, nothing new. You can change, you can edit and change your avatar. You can have a nice name. I had done this in a few minutes ago. I don't know if I can have a neat code. Let me use this. It's pseudo. Oh, it's not working. Oh, I had not seen this one. Please upload the picture smaller than 1 MB. Well, you can use any picture that is more than 1 MB. Apparently that one is bigger than 1 MB. Let me use this one. Just want to show you how you can do that, but I had already changed it, as you can see. And then you can crop it. I'll not use that one. Let me just stick to this. Then you can give the name of the public profile name and your bio, pronouns, all those things you can check, and you can update the profile. Then once you're done, just go ahead now to create a new repository. And for this, we'll call it Mastering LaTeX, and description we'll use that one, complete introduction to LaTeX series. Let it be public. Let's have a README and let's use the MIT license and go ahead to create a repository. Now, once you're done with that, you have your repository up and running. So for you can add a file. You can decide to add a file here. You can upload files and you can even edit here. For instance, if this is the README, you can edit it. You can edit it and say that let it open. Yes, this is for my YouTube channel. Let's give the description, the link to YouTube. That's the YouTube link. Not that one. Sorry, not the link. Sorry. So this is the YouTube link to channel. So you have that one, and then here. So this is the URL. And here we can have it called YouTube. It called YouTube. Yes. Yeah, we can preview. That one. So once you click this one, it will take you to our channel. And once you're done, you can commit the changes, and you also give an explanation, commit message, a short one, and an extended description. edited readme on the repository, added the YouTube link to my channel. Nice. And commit directory to main branch. You don't want to create a new branch. You can create a new branch or just commit to the main branch. Let's stick for simple things now. Commit to main branch. Well, now once you're done with that, you can now decide, because most of the time you'll not be working online on the website. You can decide to use the I will stick to the easy way now, and we use this by if you are using Windows, and open with GitHub desktop. This one really simplifies work. So now download for Windows. I already have it, so let me start it. If you don't have it, start it. You can download it. Download for Windows, and this is it. So let me add. I think first I will have to log out. Can I log out? First log out. Sign into. Let's first log out and then let's sign in. Let's continue the browser. And this is the browser. I want to continue the browser. Oh, no. Let me log out from the browser. Because this Firefox is already logged into this account. So let me log out. Let me sign out. Sign out as Martin, sign out. Yeah, sign out. Okay, sign in with a different account. Right now here it's it code. What was my username? It code 0. And the password was that one. Oh, that's the right password. Hope so. Good, then you can save it or not. I'll save it. I have a password manager. Then once you're done with that, let's go back to this one and sign out. Options, let's sign out from GitHub and sign in, and let's continue the browser. Okay. Oh, okay. Authorize blah 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 blah. That one it code. Yes, I authorize it. Okay. To be directed. Well, now we have to we are back to our GitHub desktop and our account. And I don't know why it's not. Let's see whom we have. Oh yeah. It's not refreshing. Let me close it and open it up again. Yes, so let's new repository. So let's clone not a new one. We want to clone a repository, and this is what we want to clone from master in LaTeX. So where do we want to clone it to? Let's clone it to that folder, and let's clone. Then after cloning, it takes a few seconds. Then once cloned, you can open using a Visual Studio Code if you have Visual Studio Code installed. And here we have it. You have cloned it. So once you can create now new files and commit them Let's see that in next video.